If you want to take your makeup look to the next level, then the BYECOLD Horizontal Vanity Bathroom Smart Mirror will be the best for you. This aluminum and tempered glass smart mirror comprises several specifications. The Smart Touch switch enables you to open 3 major functions at once: light, defogging, and weather forecast. You get to enjoy a lot of fancy features inside this smart mirror, and the one which people love is its anti-fog functionality. It has a Smart Touch digital panel to control all these features with quick taps. You can decide what to wear on the day while taking shower by looking at the real-time weather forecast on your smart mirror's Wi-Fi clock app. Moreover, this mirror provides adjustable LED lighting of 3000K and 6000K, which means you can choose between warm and cold white lighting depending on your mood or decor. The small screen in the lower left-hand corner will show you the day's weather, including temperature, humidity, and more. This will also show you the time and date. Also, this mirror has Wi-Fi capacity and requires a 2.4 GHz network to function. However, this mirror's thickness is approximately 2 inches, making it more durable and safe from mishaps. Overall, this bathroom mirror is ideal for users who love to start their day well informed. The Gesipor 24 by 36 inches bathroom LED mirror is a multi-orientational bathroom smart mirror with Bluetooth audio capacity. This mirror has extra anti-leaking striped tape which prevents the light from leaking. The design of this smart mirror delivers a luxury feel at home. Plus, you can enjoy Bluetooth music in the showers as well. Also, users can still make their bathroom experience a whole lot better by streaming their favorite audio, like podcasts, music, and news via 360 surround sound capacity. All you need to do is connect the mirror to your smartphone or tablet. Additionally, users have the option to switch from 3000K to 6000K depending on their needs and adjust the brightness accordingly. There is also a handy memory button that takes note of the last used settings, so you can get the same effect by hitting a button. This mirror supports wall switch control so that you can switch the device on and off by a regular button on the wall. Furthermore, there is an intelligent temperature control defogging feature to keep the mirror looking clear. Amazingly, this mirror provides a 3-year warranty to boot. All in all, the money you spend on this mirror would not be a waste, as this mirror would surely make your bathroom one of your favorite places in the home. If you are searching for a sleek and fluid mirror to complement your bathroom decor, then QiMH Bathroom Vanity Mirror is for you. This modern bathroom mirror provides you with a unique style with a lot of extra functionality. The 32 by 24 inches mirror surface is crisp and clear and can be mounted horizontally or vertically. A 5.5 inches round 3x magnification mirror is embedded in the surface. Its frame is made from aluminum and it weighs 21 pounds. Its light is comfortable, non-UV, and will not flicker. Also, there is a dimmer range from 1% to 100%. Amazingly, its LED light lifespan is excellent and works for 40,000 plus hours. And the LED light strip is IP44 waterproof, making it suitable for use in a moist setting like a bathroom. However, this mirror's power source is AC 120 volts, 50 or 20 Hz, and the output source is DC 12 volt, 35 watt. Plus, the maximum lumens is 5000 lumens and 6000K. In addition, this mirror is made from environmentally friendly copper-free silver nitride with an anti-rust treatment and is resistant to oxidizing and rusting in every direction. Its plug-and-go installation is easy. Finally, if you're looking for a sleek design with LED lighting to match your modern bathroom decor, this mirror could be the answer for you. The iHome Reflect ICVBT2 Adjustable Vanity Mirror is one of the most feature-rich lighted mirrors on the market. This mirror has an elegant white rectangular design measuring 7 by 9 inches, and you can control the mirror through your voice. The LED system used in the mirror will deliver you the brightest light required for the task, and you do not need to worry about its lifespan as this mirror comes with a rechargeable battery. It features a built-in mic, echo cancellation, and answer and end controls. The USB port of this smart mirror also delivers the facility to recharge your mobile phone, and by using wireless audio streaming, you can also listen to your favorite music. Also, it is equipped with wireless Bluetooth technology, which permits it to connect with all your mobile devices in an instantaneous fashion. On top of providing a distortion-free view and wireless connectivity, this mirror also provides 1 amp of power for charging your smartphone. Another awesome thing about this mirror is its immense durability. Its frame is constructed from high-quality materials that is specifically designed to withstand impact and rough handling. Overall, this mirror is one of the finest options present in the market. The Decora Dimmable bathroom mirror is well mountable and measures 55 inches by 28 inches. Also, this mirror is available in various size variations to make it perfect for use in multiple settings. Even this mirror is 30% brighter than similar competitors on the market. This dimmable mirror's lights are CRI greater than 90. Also, the LED strip provides a 6000 K color temperature, cold white light, and 50,000 hours worth of working time. Moreover, this mirror also includes a PET anti-fog film to keep the mirror free of steam buildup and runny streaks. The lights on this mirror are dimmable and the brightness ranges between 10 to 100%. Plus, you can control the mirror lighting with a button on the mirror surface. This mirror is simple to mount and includes gypsum screws for mounting. In fact, this mirror can be mounted horizontally or vertically. Additionally, this mirror is copper-free and delivers the added protection of an epoxy coating. However, if you're searching for an attractive look for your bathroom as well as functional and flexible mirror, this mirror will be the best bet for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.